morning students. I hope you are all safe at home. Listen children, this is your maths class. What we have learned in previous class? Yes, same chapter, chapter 1, let us revise. What is this? Let us revise. What other topic have seen? Yes, number names and numbers. Already we have learned numbers 1 to 100, then number names randomly 1 to 100 have seen. Are you clear this topics? Okay. Now I will give answers for previous class worksheet. Okay. Take your worksheet and check answers. Okay children. See the first Roman worksheet. The first Roman, write the number names. What is this? Write the number names. What is this? Write the number names. The first one, 1 4. How to read this number? 1 4 means, yes, 14. What is this? 14. What is the spelling of 14? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. What is this? 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. The second one, 2 5. How to read this number? Yes, 25. So, what is the spelling of 25? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 25. F-I-V-E. 5. 25. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 25. F-I-V-E. 5. 25. The third one, 1 2. How to read this number? 1 2 means 12. What is this? 12. What is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E. What is this? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Next one, 1 7. How to read this number? 17. What is the spelling of 17? S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. What is this? S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Okay. The next one, 4 3. So what is the number? How to read this number? 43. What is the spelling of 43? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 43. F-O-R-T-Y. 43. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 43. The next one, 2 1. How to read this number? 2 1. Yes, 21. So, T-W-E-N-T-Y. 21. O-N-E 1. 21. Are you clear children? The last one have 3 digit. 1 0 0. So, how to read this number? Yes, 100. What is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. What is this? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. Are you clear children? First Roman. How to write the number names? Okay. Check the answers in your worksheet. Okay. Next, second Roman, write the number. What is this? Second Roman, write the number. Here given number names, you should write numbers. Okay children? See the first one, T-H-I-R-T-Y. What is this? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. Next, F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 35. What is this? 35. So 35, how to write this 35? 3 5 35. Are you clear children? Okay, the next one, F-I-F-T-Y. F-I-F-I-F-T-Y. 56. S-I-X. 6. 56. How to write the 56? 5 Sixty. Sixty. What is this? 60. What? Seven. 67. 67. How to write the 67? 6, 7, 67. 6, 7, 67. Are you clear, children? The next one, Nity. What is this? Nity. 90. Nine. 99. 99. The last one, Seventy. What is this? Seventy. 70. How to write 70? 17? No. So 70 is 70. 17 what will come? 17. 17 means 17. 70 means 70. 70. Are you clear, children? How to write the second Roman? Okay. Check the answers in your worksheet, children. Okay. Now we are going to see the topic, same chapter 1. Let us revise. What is this topic? Let us revise. Already we have learned first Roman, second Roman and third Roman also. What under have these three Romans? Number and number names only have. Now we'll see fourth one. Look at the grid in question number 1 and fill in the box. See here, look at the grid in question number 1 and fill in the box. This is the topic. What are they have here? Before, after, between numbers only have these topics. Okay. Before means what is this? Already we have learnt in first standard also. Before means what is this? Before means front number. What is this? Front number. So after means next number. What is this? Next number. So between means become center number. Are you clear, children? So before means front number, after means next number, between means center number. Are you clear, children? Before means front number, after means next number, between means center number. See the first question, the number which comes after 87 is, what is this? The number which comes after 87 is, what here is after, which comes after 87. After 87 means, after means what is this? Next number. 87 next. What will come? 87 next. 7 next. 8. So 87 after 88. You should write in the box 88. See in your book page number 6. Okay. See. Next question. The number before 37 is. What is this? 37 is. What is this here? Before. Before means front number. Here given before 37. 37 before. What is this? Will come this front number. 7 front. Yes, 6. So 37 before means 36. You should write in the box 36. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one. See some. The number after 48 is dash. What will come? After 48. After 48 means what is this? After 48 means 48 after 8 after 9. So 48 after 49. You should write in this 49. See, the number before 57 is the number before 57 is. Before means what is this? Front number. The number before 57 is. Before means front number. Here given 57. 57, 57. 57 before. See. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. See here 58. 57 before number have 56. What is this? 57 before 56. 5, 6, 56. Are you clear, children? Next, sum the number after dash is 73. So what will asking here? 73 after. What will come 73 after? After dash is 73. See here the number after dash is 73. Which number after will come 73? So 73 before number here asking. So 72 after 72 is 73. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one, 22 is between 21 and dash. See here 22 is between 21 and dash. Which number? Between means what will come? Between means center number. Here given one number 21. So another one number what will come? The 22 is a between number means. So 21. Here between number is 22. So what will come the next number? So which number will come here? 22. Then here come 23. So what will come? 23. So you should write here 23. Are you clear? Okay. The next one, 1, 5. 1, 5 is 15 is between. So dash and dash. So 15 is a center number. So which number comes before? Which number comes after? 15 before what will come? 15 before 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. See here given 15. 15 before what will come? Yes. So 14. So first number is 14. Next number is 16. 1, 6. 16. Are you clear, children? So how to write this between number? Okay. The next one, dash is between 17 and 19. So 17 and 19. Which number comes between? Between means center number. See 16. 16 after 17, 18, 19. Here asking 17 and 19. So which number 17 and 19 between? Yes, 18. 1, 8. 18 is a between number. You should write here 18. 1, 8, 18. Are you clear? Okay. The next one, dash is between 63 and 65. 63 and 65. Which number comes between number? 63 after? Yes, 64. You should write here 64. Are you clear, children? How to write this fourth one? Okay. You should write neatly in your book. Okay. Next, take page number 7. See the fifth one. What comes before? Already we have learned before means front number. See, here also given some sums. See, the first one is sum 90. 90 before. 90, 90. 90 before what will come? See, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. 90 before? Yes, 89, 89, 89. You should write here 89, 89. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one, 63, 63. What will come 63 before? Before means front number. See, 61, 62, then 63. 63 before? Yes, 62. 6 to 62. The next one, 41, 41. 41 before? Yes, 40, 40. 40, 40. Are you clear? The next one, 38, 38. 38 before? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 before? Yes, 37. So write 37, 37. Are you clear, children? How to write what comes before? Remaining some sums have. So do yourself in your book. Okay, children? Next, sixth one, what comes after? What comes after? After means what is this? After means next number. After means next number. 9 after, see first sum, 9 after. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 after? Yes, 10. 1, 0, 10. So write here 10. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one, 13. 1, 3, 13. 13 after? See, 11, 12, 13. 13 after? Yes, 1, 4, 14. So you should write here 14. Are you clear, children? The next one, 29. 29 after? See, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 after? Yes, 30. 30, 30. 30. The next one, 34. 34 after? Almost 4 after 5. So 34 after? 31, 32, 33, 34. 34 after? Yes, 35. You should write 35. 35, 35. Are you clear, children? How to write this 5th Roman and 6th Roman? Okay. 5th one and 6th one, have you clear? Okay, children. So remaining sums have, do yourself. Okay. Next, 7th one, write the number between. What is this? Write the number between. Already I said between means center number. Are you clear? Between means center number. See the first sum, 6 and 8. What will come the between number? 6 and 8. 6 after? 6, 7, 8. So which number is a between? 7 is a between number. So you should write here 7. Okay. The next one, 61 and 63. 61, 62, 63. So 61 and 63. Which number is a between number? Yes, 62. So write 62. See, here have 11 and 13. 11 after 11 and 12 and 13. So 11 and 13. Between number is 12. 1 to 12. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one, 7, 6, 76 and 7, 8, 78. 76 and 78. Which number will come in between? 76, 76, 77, 78. So 76 and 77 between, 76 and 78 between 77. The next one, 24 and 26. Which number will come in between? 4 after 5. Yes. 24 after? Yes, 25. 2, 5, 25. The next number, 84 and 86. Which number come between 84 and 86? 84 after? Yes, 85. 85. Are you clear, children? How to write before, after, between numbers? Are you clear? Okay. Remaining sums have in this between, before, after and between also. You should write in your book. Do yourself, children. Okay. Next, we'll see bigger number and smaller number. Already we have learnt which is a bigger, which is a smaller. Already we have learnt, no? Okay. So bigger number, how to find out this? See here given any two numbers, you should, which is a bigger. You find out this, which is a bigger, which is a smaller. You should put the circle. Okay, children? See, for example, see here, bigger number, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger number, N-U-M-B-E-R, bigger number. What is this? Bigger number. See, here given three sums. The first sum, 4 and 13. Here given two numbers. What are the numbers? 4 and 3. Sorry, 4 and 13. 1, 3. Okay. 4 and 13. So, which number is a bigger number? You compare this two number, 4 and 13. Which number is a bigger number? You should put the circle. Okay. 4 and 13. Which number is a bigger number? 4 or 13? Yes, 13 is a bigger number. So, you should put the circle. Okay. The next one, 79 and 26. See, 79 and 26. Which number is a bigger number? See, here have two number also, 2-digit number. So, 7, 9 and 2, 6. See, in tens place, 7, 2. So, 7 bigger or 2 is a bigger? Yes, 7 is a bigger number. So, you should put the circle 79. Okay, the next one, 10 and 80. This also 2-digit number, but the tens place have two number also 1. Tens place both number also have 1. So, you will see this ones place 0 and 8. Which is a bigger number? 0 or 8? 0 means nothing. So, 8 is a bigger number. So, which number will come as a bigger number? 18. 1 8 is a bigger number. You should put the circle. Are you clear, children? How to write this bigger number? Okay. The next one, smaller number. What is this? Smaller number. S-M-A-L-L-E-R. Smaller number. N-U-M-B-E-R. Smaller number. What is the smaller number? Here also have 3 sums. Each sum have 2 numbers. You compare these 2 numbers. Next you put correct answer. Okay. 7 and 26. 7 is a single digit number. 26 is a 2 digit number. So which number is a smaller number? Single digit or 2 digit? A single digit is a smaller number. You should put the circle smaller number. 7 is a smaller number. Okay, the next one, B sum 35 and 70. Here both number also have 2 digit number. See 35 and 17. See tens place 3 and 1. Which is a smaller number? 3 or 1? Yes, 1 is a very smaller number. So you should put the circle 17. Okay, the next one, 2, 3, 23 and 75. See tens place 2 and 7. So which number is a smaller number? 23 or 75? 2 or 7? Yes, 2 is a smaller number. So you should put the circle 23. Are you clear, children? How to find out the bigger number and smaller number? Okay. See, take your book page number 8. See, 8th one, ring the bigger number. What is this? Ring the bigger number. See. Eighth one, ring the bigger number. See first sum 32 and 33. Here also given 2 numbers only. You compare these 2 numbers. Which number is a bigger number? You should put the circle. Okay. 3 to 32 and 33. See here also have 2 digits, but the tens place has same number 3 and 3. So which number will see? Now we'll see ones place 2 and 3. So which number is a bigger number? 2 or 3? Yes, 3 is a bigger number. So you should put the circle 33. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one, 1, 5, 15 and 17. Here also have 2 digit number 15 and 17. We'll see tens place 1, 1. So both number also have 1, 1. So how to find out this? Yes. See ones place 5 and 7. So which number is a bigger number? 5 or 7? Yes, 7 is a bigger number. So you should put the circle 17. Okay. The next one, 80, 79. Which number is a bigger number? See tens place 8 and 7. So which number is a bigger number? 8 or 7? So 8 is a bigger number. So you should put the circle. Okay, children? Okay. The next one, 92 and 88. 92 and 88. See tens place 9 and 8. So which number is a bigger number? 9 or 8? Yes, 9 is a bigger number. So you should put the circle 92. Okay, the next one, E sum 9 and 19. This is single digit number. This is 2 digit number. Which is a bigger number? Single digit or 2 digit number? Yes, 2 digit number only bigger number. So you should put the circle. Okay, the next one, 25 and 27. So which number is a bigger number? Yes, 27 is a bigger number. You should put the circle. Are you clear, children? How to find out the bigger number and smaller number? Okay. The ninth one also, read the smaller number. Next, ninth one, ring the smaller number. What is this? Ring the smaller number. Here also given two numbers. You compare these two numbers. Which number is a smaller number? You should put the circle. Okay children, see. The first one, 63 and 36. 63 and 36. You first see in tens place. Which is a tens place? 6 and 3. 6 and 3. Which number is a smaller number? 6 or 3? Yes, 3 is a smaller number. So, you should put the circle. Okay children. The next one, 15 and 25. See, in tens place, 1 and 2. Which number is a smaller number? 1 or 2? 1 is a very smaller number. So, you should put the circle. 15. Okay, the next one, 24 and 42. Which number is a smaller number? 24 or 42? Yes, 24 is a smaller number. So, you should put the circle. Okay, the next one, 47 and 46. See, 47 and 46. See, here tens place 4 and 4. Both number also have 4, 4. So, see in ones place 7 and 6. Which number is a smaller number? 7 or 6? 7 or 6? Yes, 6 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. So, you should put the circle 46. Are you clear children? The next sum, 88 and 89. Which number is a smaller number? 88 or 89? Yes, 88 is a smaller number. So, you should put the circle. Okay. Next sum, 23 and 29. Which number is a smaller number? First see in tens place 2 and 2. Both number also same numbers. So, see ones place. Ones place 3 and 9. So, which number is a smaller number? 3 or 9? Yes, 3 is a smaller number. So, you should put the circle 23. Are you clear children how to write this smaller number? Okay. Next, 10th one, find the smallest and the biggest numbers. What is this? Find the smallest and the biggest numbers. See here, find, find, the, the smallest, smallest, and and the biggest, biggest numbers, numbers. Find the smallest and the biggest numbers. Are you clear children? Okay. See the first sum, here given numbers, here given the small, you find out the smallest and biggest number also. Okay. You find out the smallest and biggest number also. Okay. See the first sum, 16, 11, 21 and 18. Here given 4 numbers. What are the numbers? 16, 11, 21 and 18. Okay. 16, 11, 21 and 18. We first find out which is the smallest number. What is this? Which is the smallest number? See here. 16, 11, 21 and 18. Which is the smallest number? See in tens place 1, 1, 2, 1. So 2 means bigger number. Here have 3 number is tens place 1. So you see this ones place 6, 1, and 8. Which number is the smallest number? 6, 1 or 8? Yes, 1 is the smallest number. So, you should write here smallest number 11. 11 is the smallest number. Again have 3 numbers 16, 21 and 18. Which is the biggest number? See, 16, 21 and 18. Which number is the biggest number from these number? Yes, 21 is the biggest number. So you should write here 21. Are you clear, children? How to find out the smallest and biggest? Okay. Here given bigger and smaller, but here given smallest and biggest. Why? They have 4 numbers given, but there only 2 numbers given. That's why bigger, smaller. Here given smallest and biggest. Okay. See, the B sum 13, 8, 25, 23. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 8 is a single digit number. So, you should write the smallest number is 8. Next, 13, 25 and 23. So, see in 3 sums, 3 numbers, which number is the biggest number? 1, 2, 2. So, 1 is the smallest number. Okay. 2 and 2. Both number is a 2 in tens place. So, we how to find out? See, in ones place is 5 and 3. Which is a bigger number, biggest number? 25 or 23? Yes, 25 is the biggest number. So, you should write 25. 25, 25. Are you clear, children? How to find out the smallest and biggest? Okay. The next one, 83, 84, 82 and 81. Which number is the smallest number? You have all the tens places is same number, 8. So, you will see in ones place 3, 4, 2, 1. Which is a smaller number? Yes, 1 is the smallest number. So, 81 is the smallest number. Okay. So, which number is the biggest number? 3, 4, 2. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 4 is the biggest number. 84 is the biggest number. Okay. The next one, 34, 24, 54 and 44. Which number is the smallest number from these number? Ones place, all the ones places is same number, 4. Okay, so see tens place only. 3, 2, 5, 4. Which number is the smallest number? 3, 2, 5, 4. Yes, 2 is the very smallest number. So, you should write 24 is the smallest number. The next one, 34, 54 and 44. Which number is the biggest number? See, 3, 5, 4. Yes, 5 is the biggest number. So, 54 is the very biggest number from these numbers. So, you should write 54. 5, 4, 54. Are you clear, children? How to find out the smallest and biggest number? Okay, remaining sums have in your book. Do yourself. Okay. Okay, children, are you clear these topics? Okay. What are the topics have seen today? Yes, before, after, between numbers, then how to find out the bigger and smaller number, then how to find out the smallest and the biggest number. Are you clear this all the topics? Okay. Remaining sums, do yourself in your book. Okay. Then do your worksheet and okay children, stay home and be safe. Thank you.